Even the deepest sleeper might get woken up by his girlfriend's hair. When you are not dating anyone, then going shopping is so much fun. Can I help you find anything? The newest PlayStation? Surround sound? VR with cutting-edge realistic graphics? Or our latest arrival? The choice is clear. Thanks for this fast, easy shopping trip. But if you are dating someone, then shopping turns into a long, difficult process. Get ready to work as a weightlifter and an ATM at the same time. Are we ever getting out of here? When you live alone, your whole plant collection is just one cactus next to your computer. And that's enough. But when a woman moves in, she brings a whole garden with her. Plants make a house feel like home. And they purify the air. Your girlfriend is going to bring every random plant she finds home. Awesome! Now we can film the next Rambo movie in here. When you are dating a guy, you have to really take care of yourself. Your legs are so smooth. I love your soft skin. Phew, I managed to impress him. If only he knew how much hard work that took. Oh! But if you are single, you can relax. Long hair? Don't care. When you live with your girlfriend, then your bathroom suddenly fills up with a mountain of towels. No, that's for guests. That's for your feet. That's for your face. That's for your hair. And this one is for your hands. Is it really that hard to remember? But when you live alone, you can't find a single towel to use. They have all been in the laundry hamper for months. No big deal. I'll just use my shirt. When you have a boyfriend, you can always rub your cold feet on him. Ah, that's better. If you don't have a boyfriend, you can always rub your cold feet on your dog. There is pretty much no difference. If you are dating someone, then get ready for your girlfriend to be jealous of anything and everything. Hey, what are you looking at? You like her? Then just tell me that she's prettier than I am. I saw you staring at her. Womanizer! But if a girl is single, then she checks out pretty women herself. Nice skirt. Nice body, too. She looks great. When you sleep alone, you can follow a strict system of temperature control perfected over your whole life. If you get too hot and you can't sleep, just stick one leg out from under the covers. The system works. Sweet dreams. But problems start when a second person joins you in bed. Sleeping under the same blanket is too hot and stuffy. And the leg life hack isn't enough anymore. It's still way too hot. This guy is like a space heater. I can't fall asleep. What should I do? Go for the worst case scenario? Stop! The best solution is to just get a second blanket. This life hack has saved 1 million happy relationships. If you are dating someone, then your texts are full of hearts and sweet emojis. Text your girlfriend all night long. Here, take 100 virtual kisses. This is cuteness overload. Hey, you are in the same room. Oh, you lovebirds. But when you are single, you stay up all night on Instagram or YouTube, and you only use emojis in your comments. When you live with your girlfriend, your things always go missing. Where could they be? Honey, did you feng shui all my stuff? I can't find my belt. How many times do I have to tell you? Come on, I'll show you again. Your belts are in here, in the top drawer. This will bring fertility and luck to our home. Why don't you understand? If you live alone, you have to look for your stuff just as much. But not because of feng shui, but because you are so messy. Where's my belt? I'll have to bring out the big guns. My secret weapon is a metal detector. And here it is! Found it! Finally! When you are dating, then sometimes you need to hide your musical preferences and only listen to your boyfriend's favorite artist. Yeah, Bieber, totally. Very cool. I love him too, of course. Turn that Bieber up. Ah, that hits the spot. Oh no, anything but dancing, anything but dancing. I love you so much. But when you are single, you can listen to whatever you want, whenever you want. My secret passion is hard rock. Now this is real dancing. If you have a girlfriend, then one pack of popcorn is never enough. Because first, she says she doesn't want any, but then she keeps reaching for your bucket. Get used to it. But if you are single, you can eat as much popcorn as you can fit in your mouth. Oops! Looks like you got a little overexcited. You'll have to finish the movie in the bathroom. When you live with your boyfriend, then you spend a long time getting ready for bed. Silk pajamas, sweet lotion. Even your hair is perfect. But if you are going to bed alone, forget about beauty. A comfy pajama and crumbs all over the bed. Who cares? Nobody can see me. When you live with a woman, you run out of shaving foam at the speed of light. I thought I still had some. Ah, I see. My girlfriend shaved her legs again. And when you live alone, your shaving foam lasts you for months. And you can save money too. I love my kigurumi. It's so soft and cozy. I can take cute pictures and just relax. As soon as I get a boyfriend, then my sweet relationship with my Kigu has to end. All your things are my things. I found this little outfit in your closet. How could you do this to me? You even fed my Kigurumi cookies? Don't you know how much it means to me? Why did you separate me and my poor little Kigurumi? This is so heartless. Looks like he learned his lesson. And she learned that she is a great actress. When you live alone, you can always find something yummy in the kitchen. No matter where you look. Whoa! Are you preparing for the snack apocalypse or something? But as soon as a man moves into the house, forget about snacks. Good thing he hasn't eaten the whole pantry yet. Wow! You are such a glutton! Did you like our funny sketches about relationships? Then comment below and tell us if you relate more to the dating situations or the single situations. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any funny new stories about couples from Troom.